Welcome to the 6th tutorial on peace and conflict. In this lesson we will look at what holy war is, what the aims are, Christians' attitudes to holy war and non-religious attitudes to. A holy war is one in which religion is the driving force. Its aim is to achieve a religious outcome, it is authorized by a religious leader, and there is a spiritual reward for those who take part. Can you remember the 5 aims of a holy war? To spread the faith. To convert countries to a different religious faith. To rescue religious believers from non-believing countries. To save religious places that the enemy is destroying. To take revenge against blasphemies and cruelty against believers. In the Old Testament there are many examples of holy wars. God commands Joshua, as the leader of Israel's armies, to take the city of Jericho. Also, David thanks God for helping him defeat enemies who attacked the people of Israel. Jesus appears to call on his disciples to fight. He said, "Do not suppose that I have come to bring peace to earth. I did not come to bring peace, but a sword." However, other Christians believe Jesus is not calling for war, but is talking about a spiritual sword which they might need to cut family ties with members who don't believe, so they can be spiritually strong and follow Jesus. The reward is eternal life. Different churches have different views about war. Because Quakers are against any form of war, they obviously do not agree with holy wars. Margaret Fell, known as the mother of Quakerism, expressed this view. Some denominations, like the Church of England and Roman Catholic Church, believe that war can sometimes be justified. However, while some Christians believe that war can sometimes be justified, most do not believe in holy war. They would argue that God would not command war, although those that agree with it say that he did in the Old Testament. Can you remember what non-religious people say about holy war? Atheists and humanists would say there is no God, so there can be no holy war. Religious people use God to justify their will. Using force to convert goes against religious freedom. And even if God existed, why would a benevolent God support any killings? Christians obviously do not agree with non-religious people that there is no God, but many would agree with non-religious criticisms of holy war. God's name should not be used to justify unlawful actions. People should choose freely to convert. In the exam, you might be asked to explain Christian reasons to agree or disagree with holy war, or non-religious attitudes to holy war. In summary, holy war is about defending and spreading a religious belief. Atheists, humanists and most Christians disagree with holy war. Many holy wars took place in the past. Most Christians believe holy war is a spiritual battle against evil.